I'm Vaibhavi. I live in Dangari. I read in class 1. My school's name is Vaibhavi Secondary School. Please subscribe my video.
Hello, Vaibhavi.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Dangari.
Okay. Where is Dhangadi?
Dangari is in
Kailali.
Kailali.
Yeah, okay. Very good. Very good. Where is your school?
My school is in Dangari 5.
Dhangadi 5. Which class you are in?
I read in class 1.
Class 1. Do you love study?
Yes.
Very nice to hear that. Okay. Let me ask you sound. Do you know sound?
Yes.
Okay. What is the sound of alphabet A?
A.
B.
B.
C.
K.
D.
D.
E.
A.
F. G.
G.
H.
H.
I.
E.
J.
Z.
K. L. M. N. O.
A.
P.
P.
Q.
Q.
R.
R.
S. T.
T.
U.
A.
V.
V.
W.
W.
X. Y.
Y.
Z.
Z.
Okay. Now I'll ask you blends. Okay, two blends. I'll ask you. C H.
Triplet.
Okay, I'll ask you. C H.
Cha.
Okay. S H.
Sh.
Okay. Very nice to be with you. Thank you, Vaibhavi.